John Hoffman here, and at the Kiosk Presents, we love doing different segments, and a very special segment we're going to be doing is the Law in Focus. And today, we're joined by our guest attorney, Jim Vallone. Jim, welcome to the Law in Focus on the Kiosk Presents.
Appreciate it.
Okay,
nice to be here.
So, Jim, tell us about your law firm. You practice law. You have an office here in Cheektowaga.
Yes. Well, I was the former judge in the town for a while. I was also the town prosecutor. My son and I have a private law firm, and he's been out of school about 5 years doing very good work. My daughter also works in the office, and she is thinking about going to law school. So we've been around for a while. I've been in practice for about 30 years, and we do all sorts of legal work.
Okay. So it's a family business?
It is a family business.
All right, great. Now, what type of legal practice is it? I mean, there's specialties. Are you a general practitioner, so to speak?
Well, we do a lot of residential real estate transactions. We represent several local lenders. That means that we do closings for both purchasers and sellers of residential real estate. We do a lot of wills, healthcare proxies, living wills, power of attorneys. We do small claims work, a lot of vehicle and traffic work. Okay. As a former judge and prosecutor, I do a lot of criminal defense work. So we try to take care of whatever needs our clients have.
Now, how about real estate? Being a real estate attorney, helping with closings. I mean, can't you just, if you're buying a house, can't you just go ahead with the seller's attorney? I mean, do you need your own attorney when you're...
Well, there would be a natural conflict to have one attorney represent both sides on a real estate transaction. Quite frankly, I think the purchaser's attorney is served to speed the deal along, make sure you close within the time frames which are allotted by the bank, which is very important to avoid penalties. The purchaser's attorney will review the title to make sure that there's no issues in that regards that would cause liens on the property, which would make things difficult, of course, down the road. And the purchaser's attorney, if they represent the bank, as we do as well, can coordinate the deal with the bank to make sure everything goes smoothly.
Okay, all right, good. So you make sure all the I's are dotted and T's are crossed from a legal point of view so that they're in the home and 3 years later they don't find out it's not their home or something like that, right?
Right. Well, not only that, but we we close all the deals right in our office here in Cheektowaga down, which makes us unique because the clients will come right to our office, sign the papers with a flexible schedule because we represent the bank, and leave with their keys, so it works out perfectly.
Oh, I mean, no going downtown, sitting in,
no.
What is it called, the clerk's office or whatever, county hall? And
it's not usually pleasant.
I remember doing that. It was brutal. So that sounds like a wonderful opportunity. Okay, so in the bottom line, when it comes to real estate, get a good attorney, and listen, I can recommend Jim because I used him last time I closed on a property and did a great job. Thank you very much. So thank you for joining us today on The Law in Focus with attorney Jim Vallone.
Thank you.